Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Chetty Stitches here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this beautiful handbag with bow in front of it. So guys, I lost some copies of this video while filming it. I'm going to drop the link of my previous post on how you can achieve the side of this bag. For the making of this bag, the leather I'm working with is a synthetic leather. This is the zip I'll be working with, and I cut out a small stripe, length 7 inches and width 1.5 inches. I'm going to go straight to my sewing machine and add it this way. While cutting out your zip should be inch longer than the material you cut out. Once I was done working on the zip for the bag, this is how it looks like. The next thing I'll be working on is the long handle and the small handle for the bag. This is the small handle for the bag. The length is 14 inches and the width is 2 inches. I'm going to go straight to my sewing machine and fold the handle just like this and stitch it. I'm going to do the same thing to the long handle. The length I cut out for the long handle is 32 inches and the width is 2 inches. After I was done stitching it, this long handle I top stitch on the both parts as you can see, but the small handle I only top stitch once. I'm going to pass cord through the small handle so that it will stand firm on the bag. So I'm going to be passing cord on it. But before that, I'm going to mark 1 inches away and 1 inches away on the other side. This 1 inches I'm marking is where the cord will stop because I'm going to be stitching this handle to the bag. From this 1 inches I marked, I'm going to place my cord just like this to meet the other 1 inches and cut it out. I'm going to cut out another cord for the second handle. I'm going to pass the cord through the opening and make sure that the cord stops exactly at that 1 inches I marked. So this is how it looks like. It stopped at that 1 inches. I'm going to pass the second cord to the second handle. So this is the main body of the bag, the front and the back. The length I cut out is 9 inches and the width is 10 inches. I'm marking where I'm going to place the handle, so I came in by 3 inches on both sides. So that part I marked 3 inches. I'm going to place the handle. When placing the handle to the bag, that part that cord did not reach, that is the 1 inches I left, I'm going to place it to the bag, just under it just like this, and go straight to my sewing machine and stitch it up. Once I was done adding the handle to the bag, this is how it looks like. The next thing now is to add the zip to the bag. I'm going to place the zip just like this, and I'm going to make sure that the space I left the other side is equal with the space I left the other side. I'm going to stitch it up and get the second part this way and do the same thing. After adding the zip to the bag, this is how it looks like. I'm going to be adding the side to the bag. I'm going to place it just like this and make sure that everything stays in order while I go straight to my sewing machine and stitch it up. I'm going to be adding the hook to the long handle. This is the material I cut out for the bow in the front of the bag, and this is how I'm going to go on and form the bow in front of the bag, just like this. After creating the bow, this is how it looks like. I'll use this small piece to hold it and use my needle and thread to tie it up. I'm going to place the bow in front of the bag. I'll be working with two different type of gum to attach this bow to this bag. The first gum I worked with is a foreign gum to attach the bow to the bag, and the second gum I'm going to work with is this glue to hold it very well. If you don't want to use gum to attach this bow to the bag, you can use needle and thread to do that. So guys, these are the steps I took in making this beautiful handbag with bow in front of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop your comments on the comment section below on what next you'll love to see me design. Subscribe to this channel for more beautiful videos like this. Turn on your notification bell to be the first to be notified when I upload new video.